1, 2, 3. How do you read me? Radio check. Hello, everybody. Can you read my message? Amir, hello. Okay, mic, design, video and sound is good. Siren Don X, yes. Okay, welcome. Welcome everybody. Very soon we will start. Just few settings more and we will start. Just a moment, because I cannot see any your comments on my desktop. Just give me a few seconds, guys, and we will start. Just send me some comments. Okay. Yeah, okay. Comments working now. Very good. So, oh, 11%. Welcome everybody. So I think we can start. Just give me 1 second. So now you can see on my desktop, on your screen, this very interesting picture with some girl around some water, very nice skin texture, I don't know, shadings. Florida, or hello from Florida. Hello, I am from Ukrainian. Welcome to my stream. Hope everything will be good. Okay, guys. Start. We start. Take out screen and DAZ Studio. Today in today's tutorial, I will show you how to easily transfer any character from DAZ Studio to Cinema 4D and how to apply Redshift texture, how to make it more correct. I make many different tests, and finally I found a very beautiful, very good result. How to do it. Today I'll show you this. I am not expert with DAZ Studio, so maybe I will have some small mistakes. DAZ Studio I use only for prepare some character, only for prepare some, I don't know, some person, and then transfer this person to Cinema 4D. I not make any animation today because first of all I haven't good experience with animation, and second one, our tutorial about Redshift materials and Redshift skin shaders and like this. So as you can see, Linksbeer, hello Linksbeer. As you can see, now we are in DAZ Studio 4.1 version. As you can see, 4.1 version. Just let me know, can you see a screen with DAZ Studio, or now you have some problem? Just let me know, send some comment please. Until I'm awaiting your comment, I will show you one more time this very short teaser which I created for this tutorial. I will show you some very interesting moments. So as you can see this, I will open like this. Yes, as you can see, a skin have some bump, some very interesting effect of hair here and here. Nice material, looks like very natural. As for me, yes, looks good. Mark Highness looks good, very nice. So Today we will try do something like this. Additionally, I will show you very interesting settings in DAZ Studio, which just few days ago one of my subscriber, Mike M3 Design, he is now on our stream. Just a few days ago he showed me very interesting effect in DAZ Studio, how to make a wet skin. Wet will be very nice. So as you know, DAZ Studio is free. You can download from official site. It's absolutely free. But all other, I don't know, characters, hair, clothes, something else, you have to buy. It's you buy or you try to find somewhere in the torrents. It's up to you. So now I'm in DAZ Studio. Very simple. I have just here few like it's windows, yes, like this. I am going to pause and animate. Inside I can find my library. So in my hard drive, I will show you, yes, it's huge, big. I have my DAZ library. If you check it, it's almost, you can see how many gigabytes. Yes, believe me, this DAZ Studio, it's very big size of your computer. Should be very big size, or maybe hard drive, or it's incredible. Of course, if you need many objects, many different poses, many different characters, many different clauses, you have to keep some space. As you can see, it's still coming. Yeah, it's still coming. I don't know. I think it's more than 100 gigabytes. Oh, you see, yeah, 111 gigabytes. It's really too much. So if you haven't like this space on your computer, be careful and download only that what you need exactly for your project. So I'm in DAZ Studio. I open my library and go to the people. Inside in the people, I take a female 2, Genesis 2. Why like this? Because some next thing which I will use for this female working only with Genesis 2. You have 8, you have 3, but today we will work with 2. So I am open it and wait a little bit. Now we have this Genesis, this female. When I open this folder, inside I can find many different options. So I am going to characters. Open these characters and maybe I will do like this. And find what you like. I don't know. It's absolutely depends what you need. I don't know. Maybe we will use this meridian. Apply, yes, accept. And await. I hope it will work without any problem, because some of my characters have some problems, some texture missing, and can be like this when you use a torrents. So it is applied. Very nice. I'm going to closing. Yeah, because I think it was somewhere here. So take and take. Oh, now it's more better. Yeah, now we can continue without any problem. Okay, I have this girl characters, and what next? First of all, we will apply some dry skin. For my teaser, I didn't show you this because I haven't this experience, and just a few days ago, this Mike teach me about. I'm going to female 2, going to material, and inside in the material I can find wet and tinted skin for array or wet body array. Arrays doesn't matter because DAZ Studio have very good connection with array render, but I'll show you how it transfer easily to our Redshift. So I am open here and just double click to wet skin like this. As you can see, I'm a little bit increased now. As you can see, I have now some effect of small drops water, yeah, water drops, and we'll keep like this for a moment. Additionally, we will apply some hair. One problem, yes, because wet skin we have for female Genesis 2, but wet hair we have for Genesis number 3. Kostas Poulis, hello from Greece. Hello Kostas Poulis, welcome to my tutorial between DAZ and Redshift. Welcome. So I am open Genesis tree. I am going to here, and inside in the here I can find drop wet hair like this. So double click, and what we can see, it's not supported. How to fix this problem? Yes, because I took hair from Genesis 3 and I like to apply it to Genesis 2. It can be any clauses or hair or some poses like this. It's not so hard. You're going and you have to like two options. Yes, first of all, unsupported, you have to use a Genesis. Just put like this, because it's not a male. What type of item? This is hair and this is long hair, shoulder length hair, like this, and play accept. And now this DAZ Studio apply it more correctly. Okay, after that we have to go to my female, open this folder and select my drop wet hair like this. Now if I apply something or material or poses, it will apply automatically to hair. So I am going here, open drop wet hair folder and any presets. So as you can see, I have many different presets and we can use like this or like this. Is depend of animation what you like, but for my tutorial I like to use this. So come on. Yeah. Sorry, one more time. We delete it. We apply this here. Genesis. Here, like this. Yes, now going. Sorry. Yeah, now it's working. Okay, as you can see, now it's working. And one more thing. Also, we have to apply some material. So we are take this folder with mats, its material, and any color what you like. Any color, absolutely. I don't know, maybe today we will use this black color, will be nice. Okay, now we have it. Now we have, and it looks like very, very interesting. What we will do next? Next, again, select my Genesis to female, go to, I don't know, maybe to here, to poses. Good, DAZ Redshift combo. Thank you very much, all the best. Thank you very much. Yeah, really, it's very interesting because when I just prepared this tutorial, I found many very interesting things, and I hope for everybody it will be interesting. So select Genesis female, go to poses, and now we will find some very interesting poses which we can use for this tutorial. I don't know, it's really too much different styles you can find. I try to find that which I used before, but maybe I not find, because it's really too much. Maybe you can see something, just send me comments. Yeah, maybe like this. So, look at this. Looks like very nice. So, when everything done, when are you ready for transferring? Yeah, don't forget this program have too much some different animations. Yes, with face, as you can see now, some face moving, but like this, yes, you can see. You have some options with some moving of pose. For example, we can use a dance, I don't know, like a ballerine dance. Just a moment, just go back. Like this, yes, you see, it's dancing. So you have too much possibility inside in this program, but I told you, I am not expert of this program. I just maybe 1 month ago just have idea that we have this program in our Word, so I installed it, and for a moment I use this program only for take character here and transfer to Cinema 4D only for static picture. So I am not use animation for a moment. I am not use any, I don't know, motion or like this. For this you have to check other tutorials, or maybe in future on my channel will be something like this. So when everything done, select all of them. Select all of them. Open everything like this. And select everything. This is very important. Select everything. After that, go to File, to Export. And yeah, I have already many different things. So on the desktop, I will create a folder. It will be DAZ Tutorial, like this. It will be DAZ Tutorial. Yeah. Inside DAZ Tutorial, we will create a folder. Test girl, or just girl, doesn't matter. Yes, doesn't matter. So very nice. And file, which we use a file FBX. I saw some tutorials and it is possible also transfer for OBJ, but I haven't some additional plugins for my Cinema 4D, and OBJ is also working very nice. It's very good possibility to transfer, but today I'll use FBX file. So when everything ready, just push a save. I have Russian language, doesn't matter, it's save. I have like this a Windows FBX export options. So, selected, yes, not hidden, not necessary. Figure, props, lights and camera I no need because I'll use it in Cinema 4D. Animation, okay, you can transfer, not transfer because I am not use animation, but if it will be here, you will receive some animation in Cinema 4D. Base figure pose only, no, because I already changed some pose, yes. Maya no need, logs yes, no any limit, no any morphs, and output options. I use FBX 2014 binary. Really, I haven't any idea what is mean all this FBX, different years and binary see, I haven't really any idea about this. So I use 2014, it looks like fresh. Here, texture, collect texture to the folder. Yes, for us it's very important because after we will use only one folder, it will be more easy. Merge not necessary, merge closing yes, convert, elo, and this is not necessary. So after that, check downstairs. We have here, we have Genesis, we have bikini top and bottom, and we have some rolling water. When everything yes, it means everything ready to transfer. If somewhere you have no or any error or a problem, you have one more time double check if it's selected everything or not. This is very important if you are not expert of DAZ Studio. When everything done, just put accept. And coming some magic, you see everything moving, it looks like scary. And coming some convert. Okay, now we are ready to go to our Cinema 4D. We are inside and file, merge, not open, only merge. We open our DAZ tutorial and open Go FBX just by push open. You will have also one additional window, FBX import settings. So geometry, yes. Lights and camera, I'm not use it because in DAZ Studio, as you remember, we didn't set up it. Curves, subdivision surface, makers, blah blah blah, everything like this should be set up like this. Just double check one more time and push OK. What we have to wait a little bit, and I can see already 17% check these tutorials, 17% on my broadcast. Very nice, guys. Thank you very much for your intention. So it's also transferring with some animation. Just delete it. We don't need it. And what's the problem? First problem which I found just few days ago. Look at this. Open Genesis, and as you can see, during transferring, you can find some problem. Okay, first of all, as you can see, many materials coming. So going to function and remove unused materials like this, because some additional options coming, we don't need it. As you can see, we have some like a spirit, or I don't know what is this. This is geometry shell for our wet body. As you can see, our skin without any water drops, and these water drops not applied to our pose. So how to fix this problem? There is two ways. One of them, if you are not use Redshift, just this is very important. If you are not use Redshift, you just take these materials like this and maybe a little bit more and just drag and drop down like this and hide this. We don't need it anymore. So our material automatically applied to our skin, and after that, when you will use a just standard, I don't know, standard render, you will have a very interesting effect of these water drops, yes. But I told you it's absolutely not working with Redshift. No, thank you. What has been? No, thank you. Sorry, I didn't receive full message. No, thank you. Okay, doesn't matter. I not understood what you mean. Okay, but if you use Redshift, for Redshift you cannot apply, for example, for one object. Yeah, I'll show you. Maybe you will help me. It will be good. For example, I'll create a new project and make some standard, I don't know, standard cube, yes. For standard cube, I will create a Redshift material, just easily explain you what's the problem, and make it, I don't know, green color, like this. Apply it to our cube. So I'm going to Redshift Render, IPR, maybe, I don't know, I will use just 32. So I have cube. And now I like to create one more material, maybe same material, going inside and just use some texture, maybe noise. Thank you. You're taking us. We are grateful. Thank you very much. It's glad to hear it. Thank you very much. So color correct. I just take as this noise. Inside color correct, I'll use 0. No, I will use contrast like this, and maybe size, maybe it will be 0.1, 0.5, more size, like this. So I have one more material, and I apply also this to the cube. And what I have, I cannot see green color. I need use maybe overall opacity color, like this, and apply it. So as you can see, it's opacity, yes, it means something is clean, but I cannot see green texture. Looks like this is absolutely empty inside. And really, in present moment, I don't know how to fix this problem and to apply two textures, because if you use a standard Cinema 4D textures, you can do it without any problem. You can apply many different textures with many different shaders options, and everything will be on one picture. With Redshift, I cannot fix this problem, and for this reason, we are going back to our goal. And this reason, if I apply to this skin additionally wet skin, it not working finally in Redshift. So how to fix this problem? First of all, we are take it back. And just to remember it. Now we have to organize everything. Okay, I'm going to Redshift setting. Inside Redshift settings, for a moment, I'll use a passes, just little bit, just for beginning like this. System, bucket render. Yeah, maybe like this. For a moment, nothing changed here. Okay, how to organize it? First of all, I like to create additional maybe alpha texture plus multiply plus noise. All of the best. Really, I'm trying alpha texture, multiply, I'm trying many different things, but Redshift cannot see many textures on one object. I mean, if I apply 1, 2, 3, 4 or something like this, Redshift will see only last texture, not some before, and I don't know how to fix it. It will be good if you can fix this problem, all of the best, and you will send me some comments or on the Viber, contact me on the Viber or on the email, and you will show me, you will teach me. It will be really very help me. But in present moment, I'll show you how I am fighting with this problem. Okay, so take all wet textures and you can see it automatically here from this area up to this area, like this. You can create additional folder for this, but what I find, first of all, I take face. So I can see face here, face, hold Ctrl on my keyboard, face here, here, and then I am going to these wet textures. I can see face only here and here, not anymore. After that, when I'm select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 materials, right click and go down, add to new layer. As you can see, here coming one layer. Just double click and we call it face, like this. So very nice. Going to no layers. Take body. As I can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and somewhere here, I think this, and maybe this. Very nice. Right click, add to new layer, and this layer will be body. Maybe my English not perfect, but doesn't matter. First of all, take an idea of this organizing. It's really very help you in future. Okay, this is for sure clothes. This is for sure bikini. Right click, add to new layer, and we put it dress. Okay, again, go to new layer, and what I can see this is leg and arm, everything inside on this texture. So select it, this, too much textures, and I think all this, also head and legs, as you can see, feet, shoulders, like this. Right click, add to new layer, and this layer will be, I don't know, leg, hand, together. Very nice. Again, going to no layers, and what I have mouse. So I'm select mouse, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, right click, add to new layer, and it will be mouse. Again, going to new layer, and as I can see, I forget to add this earth for body. As you can see, it should be here. It's very simple, just right click, add to layer, and body. RS color layer 1, base color layer 2. Yes, all of the best. I understood your idea. That I can do it like a multi-material, like I showed you this in some previous tutorials. It's very simple. Just guys, sorry for a moment. We are come back. I understood. I can go here. Here I can use for example, material blender. Inside material blender I can add 6 different materials like this. This is clear, this is understood, but my question, how I can use 2 materials on one object? Here 2 materials, not here. I know how to create a Redshift shaders materials, multi-materials. My question, how I can show to my Redshift that inside in this object I apply 2 different materials? This is question. For example, yes, if I am again play render view, and if I just change this green one, put back, I cannot see what is behind. If I put here, apply last materials. Yes, for example, if I'm going to Redshift, okay, standard, we can use standard, just create one. Sorry, I deleted, I no need it for a moment. I'm apply one material, and then I'm create one more material with, I think it will be opacity, maybe noise. Okay, we can use opacity, noise, and maybe color, I don't know, maybe dark blue. Maybe dark blue. So if I apply this material here, as you can see what happened. Cinema 4D materials make a mix automatically when I apply here many different materials. With Redshift, it's not working. I hope now you are understood my problem and my idea what I like to fix. D Donetsk. No. I saw this grayscale gorilla tutorial. No, it's not idea. Just a moment, I showed the basic idea. Yes, I create two different standard Cinema 4D textures, two different textures I am applying to cube, and I receive absolutely a mix of this texture. Okay, all my viewers, sorry for a moment, I'll speak a little bit in Russian. Sorry for a moment. D Donetsk. Проблема в том, что я не могу Redshift'ом, если я приложу сюда две разных текстуры, через рендер я этого не увижу, так как ты сейчас это видишь через стандартный рендер. Не Redshift, а через стандартный рендер. Иногда нужно иметь две текстуры. Допустим, если ты хочешь трансферить сам объект, ну, допустим, я не знаю, с этой программы или с какой-либо другой программы. Надеюсь, сейчас ты понял мою идею, да? И все другие русскоговорящие зрители мои. Okay, we are come back. We are come back to our tutorial. Okay, continuous organizing. So, eyes. This is eyes. Right click, add to new layer, and this layer will be eyes. And again going to new layer. So this is here, this is couple here, and this is a lasher. Everything here. Add to new layer and will be here. Okay, so in present moment no layers we haven't. Everything organized and easily to make some settings. We are going back to our girl and we can start, I don't know, we can start from a face. Going to face and slowly, don't look now to this eye, it's really scary, but finally we will fix this problem. Don't worry about this too much. So I'm going to face and create Redshift material SSS material, subscattering surface material. Okay, it's coming here, right click, apply to the face. Going to face, I have this material here. Open this shader graph and what I have. I have almost nothing here. Like this. So, how to transfer textures? Take a face. Face, lips and nostrils. Take face. As you can see, in original I have some color, some reflection, doesn't matter, but I need texture. Go here, select everything, Ctrl C, come here, texture, Ctrl V. And now one question. To where I have to apply this texture inside in subscattering surface material? Apply it should be to, I'm going to subscattering surface, it should be, applied should be here, subsurface color, only in this area. So I take this texture and apply it subscatter color, subsurface color, like this. This is very important. when it's done, I am going to Redshift material, going here, going to general parameters, and I have some presets. So open it and make a choice. We use a skin for white girl, yes. We use a skin pink color, like this. And what we have, if I apply now, just a moment, just one settings, basic, yeah, very good. If I apply now render view, I have to wait a little bit, of course. Just wait a few minutes because computer will take all textures and calculate it. Already 84%, very nice. Yeah. Take this texture, Redshift texture, we will give a name a face. Drag together with Alt on your keyboard and put on the original face, like this. So, as I can see, almost nothing changed. I am open this face. And, yeah, I forget to tell you one very important thing. Also, I found some very interesting situation with Redshift. And as you know, this render view, there is two ways. Or you use bucket rendering, or you don't use bucket rendering and you use directly a progressive render, yes? But look to the different. If I use bucket render, subscattering surface, not same like with progressive render. And this is very strange because it's very difficult for settings. And as you know, for example, now I have like this, but if I will do some render, well, will be, as you can see, very different result here and here, different colors and different result. So for setup, for correct setup, we will use bucket rendering all time. This is very important. Okay, it looks like not so beautiful because I haven't any shadow, I haven't any light. So to set up, to more correct setup of skin material, I have to apply some lights. So I am going and I am apply area light. Take this area light, change, I don't know, maybe like this direction, put somewhere here, pick up, and maybe, maybe not reduce, maybe just keep like this. 200. So very nice, and maybe it will be 5, and I like to change the temperature for more, maybe 4000, maybe like this. Okay, again, open and check what I have with bucket render. Oh yeah, now it's more interesting. Yes, now I can see, and what I can see some sub-scattering surface like this. If I change a camera, I can see it looks like not natural. It looks like, I don't know, some plastic or wosk maybe, like this. And how to fix this problem? So we are going inside to texture, and I show you just few parameters. I have to pause. I'll finish watching in a while. Thank you again. Siren Dogs. Okay, no problem. Goodbye. See you next time. Thank you very much for watching and for your time. Thank you very much. So I'm going in my material, going to Redshift subscatter surface and going to general parameters. Inside I have scale. So if I start to reduce the scale, for example in twice 50, I can see subscattering coming not too much. Maybe you like to use it for candle or for something, yes? I'll reduce more, I don't know, maybe 25. What I have anyways looks like not natural. So with my test I use just 3, and look what we have now. Now just little bit border of the skin have some subscattering and all other is dark. And as for me, it looks like natural. Okay, but if you use any other figure, maybe you will have other size, or you will have from other program some character from other program. You have to play with this scale, because 3 it's not like for everybody. Yes, for this size, directly for this female Genesis 2, 3 it's working properly, it's working good. All other is only according to your experience. Just play with this. Okay, what next? What also we have very interesting options with, okay, diffuse and subsurface scattering. Nothing changed, just keep like this, do not change nothing. Reflection. What is this reflection? If you like to add to your skin reflection, you can play here. Weights, for example, if I apply a 1, I will have more reflection, and now you can see it. You see, yeah, it looks like very nice. I can make a glossiness like this. It looks like some plastic. Reduce like this, and automatically, if I make like this and make a reset to default, it's coming like this. And I don't like it. Really, I don't like it. So I will use weight number 1 and glossiness 0.33, like before. And what I have very interesting, like a glossiness, like a, I don't know, like a little specular, and it looks like very natural. But anyway, if I increase up to maximum, maybe somewhere here, just show you. You have to wait a little bit. Anyway, it looks like not so perfect. So, what next? Take this texture and apply this texture to our color correct. Like this. Color correct apply to my final output, just to see what I have. I have like this. So inside color correct, make saturation scale on the 0. Just make it absolutely gray. And after that, apply this color correct to bump map. Texture input. And bump map apply to my Redshift subscatter surface like a bump mapping. Like this. So what I have finally, look at this. Finally I have like this. And it's already very interesting, but looks like not natural. Looks like this girl have a problem with skin, yeah? So I'm going to bump, going to texture, general texture, and high scale, just reduce, maybe 0.1 only. And it looks like very, very interesting. So I just change a little bit direction and check what I have. Look at this. I have very interesting skin. So maybe I will reduce a little bit more, 0.5. And I like it more. I like it more. So what's the difference? Again, maybe I will show you like this. What's the difference? So take it, wait a little bit, and make it picture, make downstairs picture. Then make disable off bump, wait a little bit, and again make a picture. So look at the difference. With bump and without bump. With bump we have some skin texture. Without bump this is like a picture. So for sure with bump it's more better. As for me, maybe you don't like bump and you never use it. So I use it. Okay, what I don't like. As you can see, this figure is not so good. Fit the window, and I can see some corners which is on the nose, which is not so natural. I am open, find this female shape, as you can see is here, and I just put it inside in subdivision surface, just like this. And what I have, okay, now it's, as you can see, now it's more better. So subdivision surface, I think it's 2 for rendering will be absolutely enough. Additionally, if you like, you can add some displacement. Maybe you will use, I don't know, some additional figure, maybe you will need it. So I'm show you how to add some displacement. You take a displacement, before adding, you will make a scale, I don't know, maybe 0.1. You will apply to final output, and from color correct, you will apply like a texture map, like this. And if you like to see it finally, you have to apply for my subscatter surface tag, redshift tag, object, and inside in the object go to geometry, override, tessellation enable, displacement enable. We will see. We have to wait a little bit. Yeah, no, not subscattering to here. Okay, now I think it will work. So we have to wait a little bit. Maybe just a little bit back. Take it. And increase maybe not 0.1, maybe 0.1 only. Like this. And look what I have. Yeah, you can see. Now my displacement working and give some additional textures. Yeah, of course your calculation and render will be a little bit longer, but if you like to make some portrait and or you like to see a very closer your object like this, of course you need make a bump and look to the skin. It looks like very natural, as for me. Okay, for my tutorial I am not use a displacement. I am not use this displacement, so I am disconnected and deleted. I not use it. If you like, you can use. Absolutely up to you. I just show you idea how to make it. Okay, what next? When it's done, when I'm satisfied with this material, I'm just make a copy of this material here and change the name will be lips. Sorry. Lips. Okay, very nice. So take this material and with Alt on your keyboard drag and drop for original lips like this. Coming some different, as you can see. Now I'm going to my lips more closer and we will see what we can do. So I think I'm stop for a moment and I will add one more light. So I take this, put here and maybe change for 180 degrees. So now I have illumination from both sides. Okay, one more time. Open and render. Yeah, and time by time I will do some save project. It will be here, will be DAZ tutorial. Because on one computer I have some checking, rendering and also recording of this tutorial. Okay, as you can see I have very natural lips, very beautiful. But if you like to change a bump, for example, you go into this texture and separately from the face you will add a bump. I don't know, maybe it will be 0.2. Just to add little bit more bump, or maybe 0.1. Yeah, I'll keep like this. So, how to change a color of these lips? It's very simple. Going to color, color correct, apply this texture input and output to subsurface. So now I can change color what I like. I'm going here and I will use a hue shift scale. So I am just try to change, and as you can see I have a different colors of lips. So maybe I'll use a 350 and gamma just decrease little bit gamma, maybe 0.5. So it looks like very nice. We can see, yeah, I like it. Okay, when I'm satisfied, I take again face, because this is already color corrected, copy and put inside with A. So now I'm show you how to add to this face water drops which we take from this area. We are going to shader graph. I have very small screen. I haven't placed for all my project, but doesn't matter. Going here, and what I have, yeah, like this. So take face, go to alpha, and you can see this alpha texture. Just copy that, create some texture, and put it inside. Okay, and now about we talked before, we will use a material blender. So just little bit organize, little bit to give a space. Okay, this is will be like a base color, and this will be not base color. Okay, what we will use? So create one more material. This will be just standard material because it water drops. Apply it like a bump. We are going to bump map, apply it inside, input, and bump map apply here like a overall bump input. So now delete or disable color like this. My telephone all time working. So doesn't matter. Apply like here and check what I have. We have to wait a little bit. Yeah, you see what I have. It looks like very scary. I am going a little bit closer, and I cannot see my skin, but it looks like very nice. So before bump, I'm use a ramp, just to give some additional setting. Ramp, and inside here, and ramp I will use like a alt. Yeah, very good. So material blender. This material apply like material number 2. And finally we will put here. And what I have? I cannot see any water drops. Inside water drops I will use maybe 0.1, maybe like this. So I am going to material blender, and I'll use a blend color. 2 ways, or you can use a blend color mask, or you can use a blend color. So if you make a white color, it will be material number 2. If you will do a black color, it will be material number 1. So I make, I don't know, maybe 75%, just like this. I continuously can see my skin, and I already can see my water drops, but it looks like not natural. So I have to apply additive like this. And now it's better. When I apply this, second material automatically will add to first material. So if I make reduce, I just can see little bit this water drops. If I increase to the maximum, I can see a maximum of water drops. But my skin, my color skin, haven't any change. So I hope you understood what I mean. So I'll use approximately 75% like this. Okay, and for texture, for ramp, I don't know. If I like, I can make like this. For example, more reduce, just receive just little bit, or more increase. It's absolutely up to you. So I am keep like this. And what I have, you see, it's already give some specular, and it look like wet skin. But really, I don't like it. Don't like it how it's work together with Redshift, because when I'm coming closer, I can see this is like a bump, like a not water drops, like some problem with skin. So like I told you, yes, for this reason we have to apply like two materials, and for example like this it looks like water. Or we can use also additional options, apply this texture to color correct, like this and like this. From material we will put here, and inside we will use first of all contrast up to maximum. Yeah, maybe we will use here. And saturation 0. Oh, just a moment. I'll try one more thing. I didn't try it before. I'll use a splitter, color splitter. So apply here. This is RBG. I will use a alpha channel. RBG I no need. And apply it to output, or maybe to input. Okay, alpha channel not working properly. Maybe also I'll try use invert before alpha channel. Just checking, just experiment. Okay, something happened, but it looks like not natural. It looks like not working. Okay, and one more thing. If I use a color splitter, maybe I also will use just a moment, one more. This material color splitter inside like a overall opacity color. One more thing I will try. Maybe it will work. Okay, what I have like this, and now I am apply like this. Go to ramp, and maybe I take out ramp. No ramp. Okay, go closer and check. Okay, maybe now it looks like more better. Maybe it looks like more better. So we can keep it or we can delete it. It's up to you. Just send me comment. Or we continue with these water drops, or we continue without water drops. I just show you idea how to make it. I just show you idea, and if you like it, we can continue. If you don't like, we not use it. Yeah, and maybe we can try refraction up to 0 and with like this. So refraction coming full refraction. It's not good. Yeah, refraction not working. So I cannot see any comment. My opinion, I am not use it. We continue just with normal skin. Normal skin without water drops. But for this tutorial I show you idea. Yeah, again, transfer all water drops fall inside and then apply this texture. For this reason, not necessary to use geometry shell which is coming from DAZ Studio. Okay, when everything done with face, I'm going for, I don't know, for body. Just increase and copy face, right click and add to the body. Go inside to the body and we have some face. We call it like a body. Very simple. Open any, I don't know, any original material. Just copy this texture, go inside to our face and put it inside like this. Yeah, for reason we can use for any reason. Maybe in future you will like to see it finally. We can use it. After we can apply wherever we like. So body done, Redshift body done, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 original bodies. So I take Redshift body and just make a copy 4, 5, 6 like this. After that, hold Alt on my keyboard and drag each Redshift material inside or on side to original Cinema 4D materials like this. So now I am render and check what I have. It looks like very nice. Okay, as you can see, my hand still having this Redshift textures and my body already have these textures, and looks like very, very interesting. Yeah. For example, for this body, we can use, we can just try water drops like this and check what it will be. Just wait a little bit. I think now it will work. Yeah, you see water drops, coming water drops, and looks like very interesting. Here no water drops. Here we have water drops. As if you like, we can keep it. If you like, we can keep it. It's, I told you, absolutely up to you. Nightly. Yes, I am from Ukrainian, and no, I didn't buy Redshift. I didn't buy Redshift. I plan, because now I hear coming Redshift 2.6 version, and it's incredible. I saw some few tutorials, and it's really will be incredible. But for a moment, I haven't money for this. Okay, we not use water drops. When it's done, take anybody, just make a copy, right click, add to, I don't know, hand legs. Going inside hand legs, open shader material, open hand legs, Vic, hi bro, good luck. Thank you very much, Vic. I think. Okay, all of the best. Very soon we'll be here. No water. Okay, I am also ready without water. Here will be little bit later. Nightly. Please contact me on my Viber after this tutorial. I will give you all links, because I cannot give you links online. Sorry for this. But contact on my Viber. I will give you all links and you will get it for sure. Okay, textures is get, and just for any reason, water drops. Just for any reason. It is done. So one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take it and copy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Copy. 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 Okay. Now I have head and legs. Very nice. No, I am not use any UV mapping for these girls. I just take these girls from DAZ Studio and import like FBX file. Not any UV mapping. It's coming absolutely. I just make a transferring original textures to Redshift textures. If you like use UV mapping only for one big texture, it's absolutely up to you. But for me, more easy transfer step by step all textures inside to this object. Okay, next, mouse. Same situation. We take a leg, copy to the mouse, go to the mouse, open any, I don't know, maybe this, copy, inside go to the mouse, texture, put it, and inside in the mouse, this is very important. If your girl have a, I don't know, have a, some smile, and you can see teeth of your object, you go to Subsurface scattering, go to these options and scatter color. You change for, I don't know, for white or little bit yellow, like this. This is very, very important. In other way, I cannot show you now because I make a choice of other object, but as you remember, just a moment, I will show you, yeah, I will show you one more time, somewhere here, just a moment. Yeah, as you can see, here is these have a white color. If these options will be any other colors, you will have not white teeth, you will have with green subscattering or blue, or doesn't matter. So don't forget to change your scattering for almost close to the white. Not exactly white, with little bit yellow, it will looks like more natural, but don't forget, it's very, very important. So when it's done, 1, 2, 3, 4, I have 4 different pieces, and yes, it's teeth, gums, for any different you can change any colors, but I will use only white color for everything because on my girl I cannot see any teeth. It doesn't matter for a moment. Dress, it's very simple. Just create a standard material, apply this material to dress, go inside to the dress, open shader, open any material. What I have bump and I have color. So copy color, apply some texture, copy bump, apply some texture, bump, put to the bump mapping, like input, change maybe, I don't know, maybe 0.5, put it to the material like an overall bump input, and this is like a diffuse color. And I don't know, maybe make 0.8 and 0.5. We have to wait a little bit. Maybe I will put a pause. Yeah, like this. So it is done. Just copy 2, 3 and apply it here, here, and here. Just one more time. Copy. So I know many of you are waiting how to create a hair, and for sure for you it will be interesting. I will show you very nice tricks how to with Redshift create hair, because many people have a why you don't use a Corona render or V-Ray render. because I like GPU render. As for me, GPU render is more faster and more interesting. But if somebody use Corona or V-Ray render, it's up to you, absolutely. I am not stopping you. As for me, the best render which I used before Redshift, of course, it was iRay. because few years ago I work with 3ds Max Studio, and I use it Array, and really it was very great render, very fast, but it took all my computer, took processor, took video adapters and everything, and I can do nothing. Okay, look at this. Look at this, it's very nice. And how to reduce a noise? You can see a noise, it's very simple. We are going to area light, select both of them, going downstairs, and here you have samples, area samples, just increase, I don't know, maybe 64. And okay, you see, now no noise and still very fast rendering. Just small tricks. Very nice. So now we are going to my here. Nightly. Умеешь ли ты работать в 3D Max? Хороший вопрос. It's a good question. Can I work with 3ds Max Studio? Yes, I can, but I am not a professional. But I can do something. For example, a few years ago, I finished building of my house, and all project of my house, including some interior and exterior, I did in Cinema and 3ds Max Studio with Array Render, and it was nice. But now, for example, if now I'm already a little bit more than 2 years, maybe 3 years use a Cinema 4D, and now I'm already forget some different things in 3ds Max Studio. So if you have any question for 3ds Max, it's not to my side. Maybe ask somebody other one. Okay, going to here, and finally we will check AI. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, many difference. Dmitry Panov, будет ли запись стрима? Yes, like usually after finish of this stream, YouTube take a time, maybe 1, maybe 2 hours, and after that you can find this stream on my channel. This is a standard situation with, I am not delete the stream. It will be on my channel. All the best. Here, go. Yeah, all the best. When I finish with here, you just make a disconnection from my stream, yeah? Or not? Give me through. Redshift material. For here, we will use a standard material. Not any here, not any subscattering, standard material. This is very important. Nightly. Just Nightly sent me some message that inside 3ds Max Studio are more possibilities than in Cinema 4D. You know, more possibilities in Maya than in 3ds Max Studio. These all different programs for all different things. For example, if you like to make a good animation, I mean some like a Pixar Studio or Walt Disney Studio, of course you have to go to the Maya. This is a standard situation, it is not secret for everybody. If you like make a very nice simulation of dynamic of water of something, you have to go to Houdini for sure, because inside in Houdini you have a very powerful tools for this. If you like create, I don't know, some architecture objects, some building, you have to go to 3ds Max, because inside 3ds Max you will have all these possibilities, very easy measurement, very easy procedure. You know, I like use a motion graphic, motion design, and for motion designer better as for me use Cinema 4D because it's more easy. Yes, it's not professional tutorials. Saulo Desbo to Colombia. Oh, Colombia, very far from my area. Welcome to this tutorial. Thank you very much. Again, yes, about Cinema 4D. It's not so very powerful for, I don't know, for the architecture, but I saw many tutorials where the guys create some very beautiful building or something. It's not so powerful for create a animation like a Maya, because in the Maya you can create a crowds, you have some options, lights, and it looks like very professional, like a Pixar or Walt Disney. But Cinema 4D, this is for motion graphic. If you like to make some intro for your channel, for your video, if you like to make some like beautiful screenshot or something, it's very simple to use Cinema 4D. It's not so powerful like Autodesk program, but it's powerful for motion graphic. It's mean, and really I don't like when somebody like to make compare 3ds Max more better or Cinema 4D more better or Maya more better or Houdini more better. It's depend for what you use it. It's really depend. I told you before I like to make some building, and my plan was to work in some Dmitry Potapov, thanks for tutorial. Welcome Dmitry, welcome, enjoy. Before I like to make some architecture, some project like this, and of course I start teach it before Cinema 4D. But now I very like motion design. It's really very interesting, and I use Cinema 4D, not 3D Max. It's depend. Okay, finally we are going to here. We create just standard material because all the best very awaiting it. Yes, all the best for sure. You are very awaiting it. Open shader graph. Put here. Take my girl. Put here, and for a moment I make like this just to receive very fast result. Okay. Open any here. Modeling of house in Cinema 4D, if it's possible or not. Yes, it is possible. It is possible. It's, as for me, little bit hard than in 3ds Max Studio, because in 3ds Max Studio you have very good tools, for example some measurement, some calculation of volume, and very interesting tools for building. Cinema 4D, it's possible. You also have some primitive object, you have some cubes, spheres, everything. You can make a modeling of polygons, of edges, of points. You have some centimeters, meters measurement. It is possible, really, absolutely everywhere possible to make a building. For example, if you go to any, I don't know, any YouTube channel, and we will do Cinema 4D building model like this, you can find many different buildings, cities, projects, like animation streets, everything in Cinema 4D. So it is possible, absolutely possible, and go ahead, it's absolutely up to you. If you like it, go ahead. So I am going here. Okay, shader graph, open it, open any here, any. We will open first one. What I have here, I have color, I have reflection, and I have alpha. So take color, copy them, and put inside to the texture. Floor generator download plugins for houses. Yes, of course you can use it. Also for house, I don't know, I think I'm not remember. It's not necessary to download any plugins. You also can use just a moment, I try to find. It is inside Cinema 4D. I think it is here. Yes, here. It's very simple. If you're going inside content browser, and if you have a full studio version of Cinema 4D, inside a browser you will find presets, visualize, again presets, and tools and helpers. Here you have a house builder modifier. When you apply it, and when you will check some tutorials inside in YouTube, it's very simple and very easy to build some house model. It's really great and very fast working. For example, one floor building with many different rooms, windows, or something you can do during 15 minutes for sure. For sure, it's very fast. Okay, apply it like a diffuse color. Going back to our hair, because all the best awaiting. Yes, all the best for sure. One more texture, and for this texture we will apply alpha. Copy and apply alpha like this. What next? This alpha, of course, we will use for overall opacity color. And nothing more. Setup is completed. Hi SV, I'm from Indonesia, currently working on factory and safety tool animation for a company. Premade a Fusion 360. UV mapping always viewed. Fusion 360. Premade in Fusion. I hear something about this program, but really I never use this Fusion 360. Just a moment, I'll check. Sorry. Oh, Spain. Spain. Welcome, Spain. Is very interesting. Good video. Thank you very much, Spain. So what is this Fusion 3.6? Fusion 3.6. You know, I maybe like to see this inside in YouTube. Just maybe some few tutorials. Fusion tutorials. What is this? What is going on? Aha. Okay, this is some building. As I understood, this is project for some building, or maybe for something. You know, my friend from Indonesia, really, I haven't experience with this Fusion. I haven't this experience, but for sure, absolutely same object you can create inside in Cinema 4D. Maybe it will be not so professional like this program, but I think it is possible to transfer from this program like a FBX file or OBJ file inside Cinema 4D and apply any textures what you like. Apply any, I don't know, any render what you like. But really, I haven't this experience. All the best. You are still awaiting. Very good. Okay, so I have Redshift material and I am applied to my hair. And what you will have after applying, look at this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, copy 2 3 4 5 6 7, like this, and apply. Back here, like this, like this, like this, and like this. And now we will play render. And what we have, this problem I also had in beginning. It's working. It's okay. Thank you for replying. Salute from Indonesia. Thank you very much. Thank you. I am receiving your salute. Delete. We don't need it anymore. Okay. What I have, I haven't nothing. It's not working. This is standard situation. If you like to receive it, you are just going inside, and between alpha channel and opacity color, you just apply a color correct, like this. Put inside and put here. And inside color correct, what you need, you just take a gamma and put it to the maximum. Maximum is 4. When everything done, you just make again these copies. Apply. And render again. Look to the different. You see? Now it looks like very nice. Only what I don't like too much reflection. So I am going inside, going to material, make reflection maybe 0.7 and maybe 0.1. Ah, yeah, okay, it will be 1 because it is wet, but 0.7. Open. I will take like this. Material, 0.7. Material. And that's all. Very easy for hair, because many people have a problem. I saw many tutorials and hair looks like not natural and very thick, but Only what you need apply color correct up to maximum gamma. All the best. Are you happy? And look at this. Looks like very nice. I like it. Especially if I'm going back. Yeah, looks like very nice. Maybe I use too much specular. Doesn't matter. So going to eyes. This is really will be very difficult because I don't know what's the problem inside DAZ Studio, but all time almost everybody have problem with eyes. I saw many tutorials and we will use like this. It's very big eye. Yeah, I forget we are also forget to create cup, so I am copy of some material here. Open this, take a cup, just take a color, step by step. Yes, first here, sorry. Come on, where is the cup? Tutorial, VBG, this for sure. Okay, very good. Okay, and eye, same situation. Hold here, drag drop, open. Yeah, I show you, yes, what I have now. Just render it. And what I will have finally. Quick question, how to add alpha channel in Redshift? I didn't pay attention. Okay, one more time. How to add alpha channel? Now I show you one more time with how is calling a lashet. Yeah, finally, all the best. You're happy. Okay, you have material. The standard, I delete port. You have standard material. So I take time by time I push save. Thank you very much. Didn't ask, but time by time I push just save. Okay, open. Come on, where is you? This. Create some texture and apply this eye. Alpha this or not alpha is really doesn't matter. How to apply it. So if you use any alpha, standard procedure, go to colors, go to color splitter, apply material texture inside, and outside, for outside, use a alpha channel, not RBG, alpha channel. Alpha channel apply to overall opacity color, like this. So nothing more. Why it's not working? I will use other material. I think now it will be better. Yes or not? Opacity color. Yeah, maybe because all time coming rendering. When render will finish, it will work. Yes or not? Okay. Or you can apply if your texture already have a alpha channel. If your texture already have an alpha channel, you just apply it inside to opacity color. Nothing more, nothing special. So what I will use, I am going here. I need a black color, of course black color, and I don't need any reflection, just like this. So take it and apply it. again render and check what I have. What was before, and come on, and what we have now. I don't know, looks like very nice. Looks like very nice. If you are not satisfied with length or with thickness, you just go inside between texture and opacity color. Like before I told you, you will apply a color correct, put input here, and inside color correct use a gamma up to maximum. What you have, just wait a little bit, computer will check, and you will have like this. If it's really too much for you, make a gamma, I don't know, maybe just 3 like this. And you can play with this absolutely up to you, how you like it. Yeah, maybe we will use a 3. This will be not too much. So, all the best. I hope you are happy. You are happy with this action. Okay, going to eyes. Going to eyes. Look at this. Inside I have some different textures. And first of all, this is white. I like to take out this white. So I'm create a Redshift material standard. Going inside, and I don't need any color. I don't need any reflection. I know I need only refraction. And link to reflection, no, I need refraction with only 1. Just nothing. Just wait a little bit. Just nothing. As you can see, I have material, but it's really nothing. It's not give me any effect. So I take this material, one more time, yes? Okay, I take this material and apply to this white. Render and check what I have. Yeah, it's taking time. Okay, finally, I have now some eye. I have eye. But anyway, it looks like not so beautiful, yeah? Not so beautiful. We are going and we check what we have next. Here we have some texture. Here we haven't nothing. Nothing, only some little bit transparency, yes? So, no any alpha, no any color. Yeah, here we have color, but we don't need it. So I take this material and just make a copy and copy. Apply it inside here and apply it inside here. So 3 different materials with nothing. Remaining only 4 materials, whereas I have to apply something. Just make a copy, go inside, open this, shader graph, stop. Go to color, copy, texture map, pass inside, and apply it like a diffuse color, like this. So, wait a little bit, computer will calculate it, because I haven't any effect. And do not make a change of nothing, just check what I have. No any opacity, no any alpha channel, no any alpha channel, no any alpha channel, and here almost all same. So I have this texture, it's still not ready. Why it's not ready? Come on. Ah, yeah. It's clear, it's not ready because I have full reflection. So just take out this reflection and apply a diffuse color up to maximum. Sorry, it's my mistake. And reflection, we also need some reflection. For a moment, we need some reflection. Okay, now I'm ready. So take this material, copy, and overwrite our standard materials. Later, we will add some reflection. So first of all, we have to see result. Play and wait. Okay, as you can see, it's very dark. It is normal situation. To fix this problem, we are going inside to shader graph. Maybe a little bit reduce because it's very big screen. Maybe like this. I go to shader graph, go to texture, and gamma override. Make it enable. And everywhere make gamma enable. My texture coming more bright, and finally I can play with gamma. So look at the different. Okay, now I can see almost everything, but I like to see this specular. I like to see the specular. Maybe I will use now some additional light to make a proper setup. So I am create I don't know, some torus. Oh, look at this, it's very big torus. How to set up properly eyes. Change size maybe for 20 centimeters. And maybe like this for 3 segments, 36, doesn't matter. So create one more light. It will be area light. Inside in the area light make a mesh. Put the torus inside to the mesh. And make it visible like this. So what I have, this I can close. I have this light. No, sorry. I have this torus, which is automatically coming like a, just a moment, I'll show you, like a light. Maybe you know in Photo Studio many people have like this. So I will put it somewhere here close and close to the eye, close to the head, maybe like this. And inside I also will create a standard camera. We are doing a very nice Photo Studio, yeah. Will be 0, 0, and just push inside. So like this. We will make it like this. Closer. Okay, very nice. Put this camera inside to the torus. Or not. Or torus inside to the camera. It really doesn't matter. So, and now when I will use a camera, downstairs and ahead or forward, or like this, and just make a render, it's automatically will give me a very nice specular. So I am going to this light and maybe increase it, I don't know, maybe it will be 10. And these lights I don't need, only forward light. As you can see, I have very nice, it's as I remember, it's calling like a angel eye. Sorry. On the view. Yeah. I just changed a little bit. Maybe like this. So only 10 degrees. Okay. Look at this, what I have. So go to the camera and little bit increase. Just to receive very nice result. And as you know, for example, we are going to the Google and we are use ice reflection. Open pictures, and what we have, if I check many different pictures, I cannot see a reflection inside in this black area. I can see reflection here, and I cannot see reflection here. I don't know, we can check many. Here I have some small specular, but no reflection. Reflection coming only inside, as you can see. So, we are going back to my project. Maybe I'm going a little bit closer, just very close, like this. How to take out it? No. Yeah, okay. I'm increase it. just to receive the eyes. And now we will play a little bit with animation. So open first of one, go to materials and take out reflection and check the difference. As you can see, almost nothing changed. So take other one and make same situation. Okay, take third one, reduce, and as you can see inside in this area, colored area, going out all reflection. So this reflection we need, and we need very small roundness, very small roundness. It should be almost like a mirror, as you understood what I mean. And take this, open and check, going reflection and reduce it. As you can see, coming out from this area. So I need it also, but I need it maybe 0.3 just to receive it little specular like this. And now we are set up our eyes. So in this area and in this area we haven't reflection, and in this area we have reflection. I hope you understood what I mean. So what next? We are going very close to my eye, and I will show you some problems which is coming from DAZ Studio. Where is this eye? Okay. So I am going to quick shadings. It will be more simple. Going to eye, and what I can see. Look at this. This is very important. During rendering, I can see some noises. So here is coming some noise. How to fix this problem? Because during transferring or inside in DAZ Studio or for array settings, it is not problem. But for Redshift renders, this is problem. How to fix these problems? So it's really very simple. Really very simple. We are going to subdivision surface to this object. We no need now subdivision surface, and we are going to selection tool like this. So I have my eye, as you can see. Select all of them like this. Make a right click or go to select and make it hide selection. So as you can see, here I have some problems. And now I show you how to fix these problems. I'm going to edge selection, going to loop selection, and I cannot take it. Yeah, it is normal situation. Why I can't take it, I don't know. So I am going inside, take all my eye, this eye, carefully, like this, like this. Don't forget only visible elements. Going from forward or top view, and just little bit take this eye to the forward, just little bit. For example, before was like this. I have some artifacts. Now it's like this. No any artifact. Thank for our help. Yeah, man. Welcome. Thank you very much that you are watching this tutorial. So I hope you are understood what is going on. Now I am going to render and check it this. Yeah, I cannot see because this is normal situation. Then I'm going to other eye and doing same. Select it. Select everything of them. Like this. Selection, hide selection. Then select it. carefully, like this. Go to top view. It should be somewhere here. Yeah. And just little bit push to the forward, just little bit, maybe few millimeters. So again, before was like this, coming some artifacts. Now it's like this, no any artifacts. Selection, unhide all. So now we are going back, no any problem. After that we are going back to subdivision, and now try to render the eye and check if it's everything good. AOV pass. Yeah, man, just a moment, I show you something. Go to my channel. Where is my channel? My channel. And just few weeks ago, I created this tutorial, Redshift camera AOV depth. You can check inside many information about AOV. Then you can check some explosion tutorial. There is also AOV pass, and also you can check some earth tutorial. Inside I also use some AOV. It's not too much, but also some AOV. So if you will check this and these tutorials, and if anyway you will have a problem with AOV, you just send me some comments or contact me on the Viber. Inside some primer and main multipass, I show it and I explain for what and how to use it. So go ahead, I hope it will help you. So we are going back to my project and look at the eye. Now it looks like very nice and very beautiful. Okay, we are going back. Look through the camera, just little bit back. What I have, it's created. It looks like very interesting. We can make a photo. Yeah, only what I like to change little bit specular of my hair. So I am going to hair. Going inside to the shader graph material, and not maybe 0.7, maybe I will use 0.5, and as you can see it's coming more specular and coming like, oh cool, yeah, it's really cool. Check it. I have more viewers, you will have more knowledge. It will be very nice cooperation. Okay, like this, like this, like this, and like this, 0.5. And look what I have. Yes, it looks like more wet. Very nice. Okay, I no need this camera. I no need this torus and this light. We are finished with setup my eye. So create this and this. Look what I have. It looks like very nice. And now everything depends from your comment. Or we will make like in my video, go somewhere in the water, in the ocean. I will show you how to create a ocean, how to create this landscape. Or we will do like this, how to create a sun. Or we can use it like on this picture. I will show you how to create a water simulation, how to make almost same pictures. It depends from you. So I am awaiting few minutes your comments. If you are able, please send it, and we are continuous with our work. So I am awaiting. For a moment I am close my DAZ Studio. I don't need it anymore today. What next? Yeah. And when I have time, I show you just few things from my future project. So DAZ tutorial, as you can see, I just make some test. It also looks like beautiful. You can use it for any screens, different lights, different illumination, and very nice. And additionally, for future, I show you maybe next stream will be about, okay, Proba Pera. water simulation. You like to see water simulation. So I will wait few more comments, and if everybody will be agree with water simulation, we will proceed. Look at this and tell me what you think about this. This is not a photo. This is Forester plugin with volumetric light. Okay, understood. Probe opera, understood. Look at this. Look at this. I found very interesting way how to render, how to set up Forester plugin to not so powerful computer, because everybody knows that if you use a Forester, you have to use a very powerful computer, very powerful processors, and like this. As you can see in this picture, I have many grass, I have a beautiful trees with many leaves, and believe me, this picture rendered only 3 minutes on my computer, only 3 minutes. This is really incredible, because a few months ago, for example, this tutorial, or for example, this tutorial with grass, or somewhere here, or this tutorial with grass, as you remember, for example, I open this tutorial, yes, and I'm going to somewhere end. Where is this final render? Yeah, we are going here, and just you will find some information. Yeah, render time, only one pictures take 57 minutes on my computer. It's really too much, and almost not everybody can do it, because on my computer I have 2 GPU. As you can see, I have 2 GPU, and for one frame render time, one frame, 57 minutes. It's really too much. And now I find a very nice way, very nice possibility how to render almost same picture, I mean with a Forester plugin, only for 3, maximum 4 minutes. If for you it is interesting, just send me comments. Better to ascend where a girl stand is umbrella and on the ground paddles on the all the best. You are romantic, May. Yeah, it's also I think possible to make it with umbrella. I don't know. I will check if inside in Cinema 4D it is possible to take a umbrella, because I don't like to make modeling, really. I don't like to make any modeling of umbrella. It's good idea. But 3D object, I don't know. Where is it? Can be building, electronic, garnet. Майк at C 3D best. Сцену девушка с зонтиком. Лужи какие-то, куда можно еще листья какие-то. You know, all the best. For your scene, I have to use, I don't know, many different plugins only for one pictures, and especially if you like to make animate of everything, it's taking time. Yes, it is possible, but it's taking time. During making of continuous, I can show I can tell you the idea how to make this, but it is possible. But for sure it's taking time. You know, for Python ведь есть plugin. Yes, for Ocean we can use any plugins, but for my video, for this video, I didn't use any plugins. This is just standard Cinema 4D animation I show you. So spots, tables, table, and I also check here. Yeah, maybe in broadcast. Celebration, cookie, no. RealFlow. Yeah, I think we will continue with RealFlow. You know, as you know, all time for all my tutorials, I make a self-training, yes, because all my tutorials I prepare myself before and make some self-training just to avoid any problem during streaming. So for all the best, you know, your question, just a moment. Dark Halan, new subscriber on my channel. Oh, very nice, very good. Yeah, weather. Yeah, here is umbrella. Here is umbrella. Just I check it. good size of umbrella. Okay. Maybe just few things we will check. Umbrella for a moment I no need. You know, I have 25 viewers. It's really incredible, and it's really nice. How many already I have translation? How many broadcast? It's already coming. 1 hour, yes, it's coming. Or 2 hours. What is the time now? Okay, already 2 hours. Already 2 hours. So, okay, one by one. How to make ocean? Plane. Create a plane. Make a really, I don't know, really big size. 10,000 for 10,000. I don't know, really big size. Like this. Maybe 5,000. 10,000 it's really too much. 5,000 like this, and create a many segments, maybe 500, maybe 500 like this, many segments. Put somewhere here. Okay, inside to this plane add a displacer tool like this. Go inside displacer tool and take a noise, any noise, absolutely doesn't matter what noise you will use. Go to this noise and increase the size. Maybe I will use Proba Pira. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your good comment. Maybe like this. So object here, maybe 2, maybe 5, and size I don't know, maybe 300. So very nice. Inside, going here, animation speed. So I am hide a girl now. У вас есть Titanchik. Welcome to this broadcast. This broadcast specially for transfer model from DAZ to Cinema 4D. This is my first tutorial for transferring this model from DAZ to Cinema 4D. And yes, I have these lessons, but it will be after this broadcast. So animation speed, maybe 10. We will check what I have. It's very fast, maybe 1. Yeah, 1 is good. It looks like very nice. I will use a 360, just see too much. Looks like very nice. So create Redshift material. I no need this material. Remove from any layer. I am going no layer. I take this material. What I have? I no need color. Absolutely no need any color. I need only texture noise. And this noise I'll use like a bump map. Input like a bump. So this noise, I don't know, maybe I will use. Okay, I'm apply this texture here, and just render and check what I have. So I no need this light for a moment, just disconnection, and create a redshift sun and skyline like this. Go to the sun, render and check what I have. Okay, I have like this. And it looks like very nice. So how to get a sun? How to get a sun is very simple. You take a sun, you're going to rotation tools, and look to this blue line. Where is this blue line? This is direction of a sun. So like this. Then going to sky and horizon hail, just make it minus 0.5, or maybe like this, why not? Титанчик, этот бродкаст, этот стрим как раз и посвящен твоему вопросу. Это первый мой туториал по ходу трансфера с DAZ в Cinema 4D. Либо ты можешь начать стрим смотреть с самого начала, либо досмотреть вместе со всеми, дождаться, пока YouTube его отработает, обработает, и посмотреть его еще раз. Этот туториал как раз и посвящен твоему вопросу. Надеюсь, понятно, потому что мой английский не очень. Окей, maybe little bit down. Okay, look at this, very nice. After that, going to object, landscape. Going to landscape, maybe I will use a size, maybe 1000, 1000, and maybe, I don't know, maybe 500. Take it. Where is this? Okay, it's here. So I am enable again my girl. I take this landscape, put somewhere here, and maybe a little bit pick up, maybe a little bit to this area. So just copy it, change some seed, maybe reduce some height, and increase like this. So it will be like little bit randomized. So very nice. What next? Next I'm going here, create some camera, apply to this camera Redshift camera tag, enable, then also enable, and render what I have. Where is my Windows with renders? Okay, inside camera tag, make a focus distance to my girl. So maybe little bit pick up like this, little bit pick up my C, take it and make like maybe like to this area. So looks like very nice, just down. Okay, and I cannot see because my sun is somewhere here. Where is my sun? I cannot see my sun for a moment. Okay. Yes, Mikhail Pashin. I have a question. Where is I can download free Riptide Pro? Because I check it internet and I cannot find. If you have some link, it will be very nice if you send me, because I know something about this plugin and I very need it. If you have a free version with some maybe cracks, just give me some link. Thank you very much. So maybe just change like this direction. Okay, looks like very nice, but it's very dark. To avoid this problem, we are going to Redshift settings, to GI, and make it brute force like this. And what I have, look at this, I have like this. So if you animate it, if you increase samples, you will find a very good pictures. So I hope now you are understood how I create an ocean. It's very simple. If I'm going very closer to my girl like this, camera, maybe somewhere here, focus, yeah, like this. So looks like very nice. I hope you are understood what is going on. Okay, I don't need this camera, I don't need this landscape, sun and oceans. I will put somewhere to this area, I will put ocean and just hide. I don't need it anymore. So I am going back and create a water simulation. So it will be for everybody, yes, who like to see ocean, who like to see water simulation. So going to spline and create a helix, change rotation like this, and downstairs make a minimum, upstairs make it maybe like this, why not, maybe 100, yes, maybe 100. And how many turns we will do? So I'm create a camera, somewhere here will be camera, maybe closer, So it will be camera, and look at this. And angel, just change maybe 1, 2, and maybe like this. So very nice. After that, when it's done, go to RealFlow plugin. I hope everybody have it. Create a scene. Create a scene. Go to emitter, RealFlow. Okay, scene, RealFlow, and create a just normal standard circle emitter. It is coming. Change direction 90 degrees and put it down. Put it somewhere here. Exactly on begin of this spline. And what's the size? I don't know. I'm going to object and I'm reduce I don't know, maybe 10, maybe 10. No, it's really small. Maybe 15, yeah, like this. Okay, it is done. What next? I'm going again to RealFlow to do diamonds, and I'll use a diamond, name of this diamond, D-spline, like this. Inside in this D-spline, in spline object, I just drag and drop my helix. So very nice. It's created something. What next? Yeah, I'm first of all create a camera. What next? I'm just play. Go beginning, play, and what I have? I have very strange something working not so good. So for fix this problem, first of all, I'm going to fluid and increase resolution maybe 100. Okay, as you can see, my water start coming, but it's not coming directly to the spline. To avoid this problem, I am going to D-spline settings, and inside I have vortex strange, axial strange, and radial strange, and some controls. So controls I know need. Yeah, maybe some radius. No, I know need. I will use this. Radial strange. I am increase. Okay, as you can see, it's already working. It's working now. It's coming from beginning, and looks like very nice. Vortex strange. Maybe I will make it 10. You just play with some of the settings. Yeah, looks like very nice. Look how it's working, yes? Okay, and to receive more, I'm going again to the fluid, and yeah, just a moment. I will show you one more very interesting diamond. Look how many particles coming. Coming too much particles, and of course, computer going to stuck very soon. So I'm going to save. And somewhere here, I will use scene, RealFlow, diamond will be H, like this. Again, play, and what I have is finish. So I make it 5. Wait a little bit. Wait, it's when it's coming. Okay, somewhere it's finished. Maybe I will use 8. We will wait. Okay, somewhere going to the end and going to the finish. Very nice. So going back to the fluid and increase my resolution maybe up to 500. Maybe up to 500 and wait. What I have? I have like this. Some water coming with some particles. Maybe to receive very nice result, maybe I will use also not, maybe only 500. Again, check it. No, 1000. 1000 and controls radius maybe 10. Again. Yeah, why not? And looks like very nice. Looks like it's working. Okay. Maybe somewhere I will push a stop. After that I am going to RealFlow and measure. Push to the mesh and build a mesh. look at this, it's not working properly. So reduce maybe 2. Again, build a mesh. Very nice, but anyway, I don't like mesh 1. Okay, looks like very good. Then I am create a redshift material, going inside, and it will be no color, 0.1 reflection, weights, and it will be 0.33 like this. So this is like a, and apply this material to my measure. So render and check what I have. Yeah, now I have water. So additionally, you can make some, I don't know, some plane. Where is my girl? Stay. Create one more redshift material. Apply this material to a plane. Go inside. So I don't need this material. I need matte shadow catcher, doesn't matter. Background enable, reflection enable. Ambient occlusion no need, so glossiness will be 0.7 and weight will be maybe 0.1. Check what I have. Yeah, you see, yes. And also for reflection I will apply some additional samples just to receive very nice result downstairs. Okay, very good. So, and maybe just little bit pick up it. I don't know, I will check from this area. Like this. So, it is done. Illumination, as you, if you like, you can use, you can set up additionally lights. For example, take this light. Go here, reduce scale of this light, also reduce the scale of this light, and maybe just little bit change, I don't know, for 30 degrees this, 30 degrees this, and put somewhere behind, maybe like here, and maybe like here. You will have more dramatic picture. You will have like this, and it looks like very nice. Okay, so okay, about umbrella, not today. I already have very long time of this broadcast. If you are satisfied with this tutorial, just push a like, make like for this video, check all my other tutorials, share to your friends, and thank you very much for watching. I have 20 viewers and it's really nice, so I just check it. I have 15 likes, I have 1 dislike. Somebody don't like these tutorials, it's no any problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check my new tutorial which was downloaded today. I found very nice possibility how to create a chameleon paint for Redshift. Just check this tutorial, it's really very interesting, and see you next time, guys. Links beer, thank you to you also very much, and if you like to support my channel, you can check links below. I have some PayPal, I have some donut system for Russian or Ukrainian viewers, I have some WebMoney for US, rubles, hryvnia, and I have some QIWI. So if you like to support my channel, if you like my tutorials, it will be very nice for me, because as you know, I start collect money for X Particles 4, and see you next time, guys. Goodbye and enjoy of my tutorial. So I am awaiting just few minutes more, maybe somebody have a question. If not any question, I just push a disconnection. Mike design, very beautiful. Thank you, Mike, thank you for your comments. Mike design is my teacher of the DAZ Studio. He know too much very different things in DAZ Studio, so if somebody like, you can go to his channel, YouTube channel, Mike M3 Design. maybe connect to these guys because he really know too much in DAZ Studio. MO, thank you. Kostas Paulus, good night. Thank you, Kostas Paulus. I think you are from Greece. Goodbye also to you. See you next time, maybe next Saturday, maybe in future will be one more tutorial, we will see. Just send me any idea what you like to see in my tutorials, in my broadcast. I will prepare something. Substance Design and Compassion for Redshift. Спасибо и покеда. Титанчик. И тебе спасибо, что досмотрел до конца. Пока. Все, всем пока. Everybody, goodbye. I am off.